Hi and welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds. My name's Rebecca and I've got a very different kind of video for you today. It's going to be a little bit of this and a little bit of that because I was very kindly sent this xTool D1, which is a laser engraver. Exciting times. So they've sent me this, and what I'm going to do initially is I'm going to have a look in the box. Now it does say using a knife may damage what's in the box, so I'm going to see if I can get into it without a knife, but first I need to get rid of the FedEx sticker on the top, just so I can actually get in it. I'm hoping that was not too loud on your ears. And then I'm going to see if I can get hold of the tape. I want to sort of show you what it is like when it comes out of the box. And then I'm going to hand it to hubby. And I'm going to time how long it takes him to unpack the box to make it. And I'll show you when it's made up. I will also include the technical specifications for this, because there are many people that the technical specifications will make loads of sense. Oh, and they say opening it with a knife may damage the box, but it's got padding. Okay, so it does say welcome to xTool. You can go to support.xtool.com for a user guide to assemble, and then have a try with the materials delivered with the D1, and you can have a mess about to set it up, and you get some stickers. Stickers are always good. Okay. So the idea with this, if you can see by, is there an image on there? Yeah. So this comes in pieces that then make the grid bracket and then attach on. So it is all extremely well packed. Hubby's going to have so much fun with this. So, in fact, this is one section of it. Let me take the sections out and move the box, and then I can show you properly if this one wants to come out. Okay, there we go. 3 layers, box is empty. So the bottom layer includes 2 of the brackets. We have power, though I'm not sure if that will work UK power wise. That'll be fun. You do get your safety goggles, your cables. You've then got your actual laser head, and then of course we have the brackets that we'll put together, or hubby will put together. This top one is packaging, and then we have more brackets, and we do have some materials to try. So we have leather, wood, and is that plastic maybe? Well, I'll let you know once we get into it in more detail, but this is sort of a rough what I can see in the box. And then we have got like a control box down here as well. So these are the 2 items in the box, lay flat. And then they have also sent the rotary roller engraving module for if you want to engrave on a cylinder like a glass or a go cup, and then we have risers that lift this machine up a little bit higher so that you can engrave on a cylinder. So I will pop some information, technical information up now some key points about the xTool D1, and then I'll come back to you with a completed setup and let you know how long it took hubby to get that all looking snazzy. So this is the laser cutter all set up. We have put one leaf in our dining table and sort of set it up on there. It took hubby about 45 minutes to set it up. It does say that it can be set up in about 10 minutes or so, and he probably could have done that if he'd watched the video first, whereas he took it step by step and stage by stage to make sure he'd done it right. He did just follow the leaflet that came in, and I'm just trying to grab that now, hence the shaky. So it does say to open support.xtool.com to go through the guide to set it up. So say about 45 minutes, pretty much including the software as well. He did download the free software. It does come with some safety goggles. This mat is something that we put down just in case anything happened with the machine to protect the dining table. We didn't want any sort of accidents or mistakes to happen because we are full-on beginners in relation to laser engraving. But hubby did have a go. So we have a picture of me and hubby. Now there's quite a bit of shadow on my face in this actual picture, so it may not have been the best one, but it does look pretty good. He did have a couple of goes at that, so he did lighten this picture to then get this one, and my face was a little bit clearer. But of course, some pictures will be better than others. A bit like with diamond painting, some make better customs than others. It did also come with a metal tag to be able to test out some metal. So hubby made a dog tag. Not sure if that's, there we go, that's focusing. So he made a dog tag, and then he did get rather excited. So we have these wooden bamboo holders. These are just phone holders from IKEA. So he did have a go and engrave it saying phone stand, all on the originality, because there was just excitement going on. He does want to engrave the glass on the side of his computer and put a nice design on the side of that. However, we do need to put some sort of coating because the laser, it can't see through the glass. Well, sorry, it does see through the glass. So to know where it needs to go, you either need to paint the glass lightly and then it will etch through the paint and through the glass, or you need to put a film on, and we don't have any of that at the moment. But for a beginner type tool, I asked my expert, which is my hubby, and he said it is amazing. It's an amazing piece of kit for the size and the price and the ease to use. He's just using the basic free software. There is, of course, more software out there. But if laser engraving is something that you want to get into maybe, then this is a cracking little machine. So I will pop some pictures and some little video clips of it in action. There is a little bit of the flashing light that you see, the blue light. You don't see it with the goggles on, but you do see it through the camera. So just bear that in mind. We're not pointing it directly at the laser when we take the films, but you will see blue flashing. And of course I will pop links for everything in the description below. But yeah, enjoy the little clips of some of these items being made, and thank you so much to xTool for sending it to us. It's definitely given us a very entertaining Sunday afternoon, and I'm sure it will give us a lot more entertaining days to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.